Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a lion. Let's start off by drawing the mane of the lion with a long curve that goes down and to the left, with a short curve going back like so. Then, draw a similar shape with a long curve going down and a short curve going back. And to finish off the left side, draw one more long curve going down and to the right. Back at the top, start just before the end and draw a line that curves to the right and down, followed by another curve that starts here and curves down like so. And to finish off the mane, a long curve starting here going down and to the left, with a short curve going back up. For the face of the lion, draw a big C shape here. Then, a wide U shape at the bottom, followed by one more C shape on the other side. In the middle, draw a small triangle and color it in for the nose. Add two short lines going down and curving out to either side for the mouth. For the eyes, draw a short angled line with a dot underneath, and mirror that on the other side as well. To finish off the head, we just need to add some ears. Draw a small C shape up here with a short jagged line underneath like so. Finally, mirror that on the other side for the other ear. For the body, start here on the mane and draw a long swooping line that goes down and to the left, then curves back to the right and ends here. Slightly above the end, draw a big C shape to start the leg. And for the foot, draw a line that goes to the right, curves back like so, and then turns up at the back. For the arms, draw two straight lines that go down from the front, with a long flat bump at the bottom for the foot. For the belly, draw a curve going up between the legs, and for the chest, curve the line up and stop before the mane. Draw the other front leg with a line going down, a long flat bump, and a line going down from the chest to the foot. Then, draw the other back leg with an angled line going down, and one more long flat bump at the bottom. Lastly, draw the tail with a long swooping curve at the back, with another curve underneath that meets at the tip, and a curved teardrop shape for the fur at the end. And now you've got a lion.